Warsaw, the capital of Poland, is a vibrant city where history and modern life blend seamlessly. Its people are known for resilience, shaped by centuries of struggle and renewal. Polish culture thrives through music, literature, and strong family values, while traditions like Wigilia, the Christmas Eve feast, remain deeply cherished. Religion, predominantly Roman Catholic, plays a central role in daily life and national identity. Architecturally, Warsaw is a striking mix of reconstructed old town charm and modern skyscrapers, symbolizing rebirth after World War II destruction. The city's food scene features hearty dishes like pierogi, bigos, and żurek, reflecting rich culinary heritage. Politically, Warsaw is the heart of Poland's democratic system, hosting key government institutions and influencing national policy. Economically, it stands as the country's financial hub, with a rapidly growing market economy driven by banking, technology, and international investment. Warsaw continues to evolve as a dynamic European capital, balancing tradition with innovation in every aspect of life. Warsaw, Poland's capital, lies along the Vistula River in Central Europe, shaping its strategic and economic importance for centuries. Its geography placed it at the crossroads of trade routes, but also made it vulnerable to invasions and wars. Throughout history, Warsaw endured immense destruction, especially during World War II, when Nazi Germany occupied the city and nearly erased it after the Warsaw Uprising of 1944. The following Soviet influence reshaped Poland politically and economically, leaving a lasting mark on its identity. Despite this turbulent past, Warsaw rose from ruins, becoming a symbol of resilience and rebirth. Today, it stands as a modern European capital, blending history with innovation. Visitors explore the reconstructed Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Royal Castle, and Łazienki Park with its iconic Chopin monument. The city also honors its past through museums like the Warsaw Uprising Museum and POLIN Museum of Jewish History. Modern Warsaw thrives with skyscrapers, cultural festivals, and growing tourism. It is home to notable figures like composer Frédéric Chopin and scientist Marie Curie, whose legacy continues to inspire.